Off with Cade Hickson. Cool pick right there. Cade celebrating his 9th birthday. Cade, I want you to have a marvelous one in Fort Scott.
All right, Zinnia Seaver turning 10 years old this year. We're all about the poses this morning. Zinnia is in Nevada. Happy birthday.
So Zinnia, I would love to know this because of that beautiful first name. I would love to know from your parents where that name came from. That's really cool. Of course, near and dear to my heart, because if you're from Central Ohio, you are more than familiar with Zinnia, Ohio. So that's really neat. Kaylee Powell. Kaylee is turning 15. A very happy birthday to you. Kaylee is in Girard. That's a party right there, wasn't it? Look at all those people.
And they're all there for her birthday. I love it. Natalie Layers celebrating birthday number 20 this year. Pretty picture there in Brenham, Missouri. Happy birthday, Natalie.
Run out to Oswego because that's where Holly Dryling is celebrating her 43rd. Happy birthday, Holly.
All right, happy birthday, Holly. And happy birthday going out to Terry Thompson, who's now 61. Looking good there, Terry, in Pittsburgh.
John Turchik, this birthday wish comes with love from the entire family. Happy birthday to John and Carl Junction.
All right, and we've got a 47th anniversary in Frontenac. Congratulations going out to Brian and Kathleen Stoud.
Congratulations, Brian and Kathleen. Now, Roger and Iona Phillips, they are celebrating their 69th anniversary. That is amazing and marvelous. Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Phillips. They are in Liberal.
All right. Also in Liberal, we've got Craig and Charity Burchette celebrating 19 years together.
Wait.
There's a little connection here.
Wait, Roger and Iona, they were 69, and Craig and Charity are 19?
Yep.
What's the connection there?
Well, the connection, let's see, Charity is actually Roger and Iona's granddaughter. They chose to be married on the same day as Grandma and Grandpa's 50th anniversary.
That is too cool right there.
That's neat. Very cool.
And our own Elmer Thorne, he is celebrating a birthday as well. Elmer, one of our marketing consultants here at KOM and Fox 14. Elmer, a very happy birthday to you. Amber Alford, give you the screen all yourself there, Amber. Happy birthday. Miss Amber, she's celebrating in Crestline. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday Club